Okay, unboxing of the SAGA Digital Postal Scale, 86 pounds max. This one here is gray. Now, if you're into selling on Amazon, eBay, not Amazon, but eBay and whatever, you should get yourself one of these. So let's just open this up. This came off of eBay from the United States, so this didn't come from China. So I know this is going to be a good product. Now these are 86 pounds max. So let's open this up and take a look at it. This is really sharp knife too, and it ain't cutting through that too easy. Now this should come in its original packaging because it's not from China. So you have this in the package. No, there's not. So let's open this up. Now you can get these on eBay really cheap. Don't buy them in Canada because I got this for like, what was it? $6.60 was on an auction. So with it being shipped here and the total payment, I only paid $13.99. If you go to Amazon, you look at these, they want 36, anywhere from 36 up. Some comes with a power cord. This one didn't come with a power cord. It takes the power 2 AA batteries or 5-volt DC. The 5-volt DC charger cable didn't come with it. It has the auto hold feature, auto turn off. It's got the flip holder, so for parcels like envelopes and stuff, easy to weigh. So let's take this out. Okay, so there is the batteries. It comes with it, and they're just regular old 2 AA batteries. And then it comes with the power cord for USB. Now you can plug this right into the wall. USB plug-in, which I have. So no need for the power adapter anyway. And I don't know, let's pull this all out. So on the front of the package it shows the scales, and these ones are black. And this looks black. Digital postal scales. Basic, weighs in grams, ounces, and kgs. And pounds and ounces. And you already seen this side, there's the dimensions. And on this side, digital postal scale. That's pretty much about it. So there's a booklet, SAGA scale, read me. So it explains on how to use everything. So it shows your batteries, installation, your adapter. See, it says right here adapter, 1 adapter optional. It comes with 1 manual, 2 batteries. And this is the postal scale. And it just shows you how to operate it. Different ways of using it, the right and wrong way. Shows you how to calibrate, which you shouldn't have to calibrate it. It should be already calibrated right out of the box. your errors, troubleshooting, maintenance. Look at that, boys. You guys submerge this one underwater to clean it. Look at that. Jeez, who would have thought? So this is a submergible SAGA postage scale. Yes, sir. Enough with the jokes. Throw that to the side. Let's take this out of the package. What's this? Warranty information. Should be lifetime warranty, I do believe. Warranties, digital scale, free from defects, materials, workmanship, under the normal use of periods of 1 year. Date of purchase. That's funny. So the warranty is valid from the original date of purchase. Must have a receipt to show for proof of warranty. Well, that's weird because on the site, I do believe it said lifetime warranty. So let's take a look here really quick. I'm pretty sure that's what it said when I bought it. Or maybe it was another listing I was looking at. Could have been a very well listing. Nope, right here. The lifetime warranty. They will lifetime warranty. So the company that I got this from is going to lifetime warranty this. Probably nothing will ever go wrong, but if something goes wrong within the first 1 year, at least 2 years will at least still cover it. So that's good. So let's open this up. So this is a UPS rate chart. That'll come in handy. And that must just stay right in here. So when you're weighing, say for instance you have a parcel, you can lay it down in here and it's got the groove right here. And it allows you to weigh a parcel if it's bigger than your tray. Why, I don't know why they have that, but normally you just lay it down like this and weigh it on top of there. And here's the front of the scales. You got your, let me see if you can see that alright. Oh yeah. So you got your power, you got your mode, and then you get your LCD screen, hold, and taper. And on the back here, you have your, where it shows your 86 pounds of max weight. So not legal for trade, made in China. So everything's just about made in China. So let's open this up, put the batteries in. So it's ready to go. Plus this. Okay, so they're on. You can see. So this here will work. Plug it straight in the wall. So you get your batteries in here. It does not charge your batteries while you're plugged in. And if you happen to lose your power, you still have the ability to use it. So, but I'm going to remove the batteries and put them away and plug it in and use it like that. And I also have a longer USB cable somewhere. That's where you plug in right there for your DC. This is 6 volt. Why did it say in the instruction booklet 5 volt? What does it say? It says 1 AC optional. See, it says 5 volt here. And then it says 6 volt here. Or maybe that's a 5. No, that's a 6. So that's kind of weird. Anyways, there's these scales, you guys. You can get them on Amazon, or not Amazon, but eBay, cheaper than you can Amazon. So don't bother buying them off there unless you get them on sale. Okay, so here it is. I got it plugged into the wall, DC, and right now I got it set to pounds, and that does not light up, you guys. So I'd show you that. So I got it all plugged in. Okay, so let's weigh something on this that has a little heft, something a little heavier, and see how it handles. So turn it on. This is SAGA on there. We turn it on. Now, if this has a light on it, I don't know anything about it, but it's in pounds and ounces. So let's put this box on there. Let's see what it weighs. So that says it's 7 pounds, 6 ounces. So that seems to work pretty good. That feels about like 7 pounds. Okay, so here we have an envelope with a letter in it. So we're just going to lay this on top. I'll let you see. Right now it's in grams. So there. So it works pretty good. So it's got the power button, and it switches between your modes. You got your grams, your kgs, you got your pounds, and you got your pounds and ounces. Back to your ounces and your grams. So, for instance, let's put this on. So that's the unboxing and actually a quick review of it. Not too much to these scales. Like I said, they're cheap. You can pick them up just about under probably 20 bucks. And they're not a bad looking scale. They're small. They weigh up to 86 pounds. As you can see right there. So, right on, you guys. Thanks for watching.